We have 340 grams or 2 cups of fine semolina, 70 grams or 1 cup desiccated coconut, 115 grams or 1.5 cup sugar, baking soda, 1 teaspoon, canola or vegetable oil, 150 grams or 2/3 cup, and we have milk, 1 cup or 250 ml. For the syrup, we have 340 grams or 1.5 cup sugar, 375 ml or 1.5 cup of water, warm water, 1 tablespoon lime juice or 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, and we have for garnish, sesame seeds. First, we have to preheat the oven for 175 degrees. In a large bowl, mix all the dry ingredients like semolina, coconut, you have sugar, and soda. Mix with the oil and our milk. Stir until combined. Transfer, and we put in mixture buttered or with shallow medium size oven proof dish, and level the surface with a spatula or palette knife if you have. Spread it with your spatula until it will be covered of your bowl. And now we have to bake for 30 minutes until it will be golden colored. For 250 degrees. A medium-sized saucepan, put the sugar, water, in a low heat, and stir the sugar to dissolve completely. You can add also, if you want, the skin of the lemon, only 1.5 teaspoon. And you can mix with your sugar and water. Stir until it will become brown. And you can increase the heat to medium fire, and bring the mixture to become to boil and cook until it coats the back of your spoon. And don't forget to add your lemon. Mix. Carefully put the syrup to the cake, slowly. The cake will absorb the syrup, and maybe it will take 2 hours. You can dress up the cake. And now you can add the toppings. Sprinkle to the top of your cake. because your cake is almost ready. Arrange them until it will cover. This is my favorite toppings on the cake for this Namura. You can also put some coconuts or nuts or almond. Your Namura is ready to serve to your family or any occasion. You can serve to them. And bon appetit! Thank you for watching.